I tried to build a high pressure water pump using just PVC pipe, and this happened. First, I take a piece of PVC pipe and cut it to size. Then using a heat gun I heat it until it becomes soft and flexible. Once ready, I press it between two flat surfaces to get a perfectly flattened sheet. Now I make the pump impeller cutting small blades of about 1 inch each. This is the heart of the pump, so precision is very important. Now I create a circular disc and drill a center hole for the impeller shaft. Then I prepare another disc for attaching the impeller blades. To make it strong and stable, I build a hub to secure mount the pump shaft in place. Now let's use alpha adhesive to fix the blades onto a circular disc, creating a strong and perfectly balanced impeller. And just like that, the impeller is ready. Next, let's make the casing. I shape the PVC carefully to form a strong outer body, ensuring perfect space for the impeller and smooth water flow. Giving a smooth rounded shape to the casing is absolutely essential because it helps guide the water flow efficiently inside the pump, at the same time maintaining proper clearance between the impeller and the casing is very important. If the gap is too small, it can cause friction and reduce performance, and if it's too large, the pressure and efficiency will drop. So a perfectly balanced clearance ensures smooth rotation between flow and maximum pump efficiency. Here I am making something similar to an oil seal, which will help prevent water leakage from the pump. I carefully drill a hole in the center exactly the same size as the shaft, so it fits tightly around it. This tight fit is very important because it minimizes gaps and stops water from escaping. With this simple sealing method, the pump becomes more efficient and leak-proof. Now the casing is ready, so I install the impeller inside and close it tightly. Let's do a quick test. I connect it with a 3-volt mobile charger and wow, even at low power, the performance is impressive. Now let's upgrade it. First I install the delivery pipe. Yes, it's fitted perfectly. Now I reinforce the body frame to make the pump stronger and more durable. A strong frame is very important because it reduces vibrations and keeps all components stable during operation. Then I install the suction pipe, which is slightly larger for better performance. Now everything is ready for the final test. This time I'm using 12 volts with a DC 775 motor. Let's turn it on and boom, look at that pressure. This small DIY pump is working like a beast. From a simple PVC pipe to a powerful high pressure water pump. Follow for more amazing DIY projects.